What's up, everybody? I got this lightning set at Walgreens for $19.99. Is there anything good in here? Let's see. Alright. Is this a promo card? Or got a Cinder Race? Looks nice. And comes with 4 Trick and Trade pack. Obsidian and Scarlet&Violet. Alright. Is there anything good on the Trick and Trade pack? Let's see. Alright. Umbreon. Mimikyu. And that's it. Second pack. And still nothing. Houndour. And it's okay. Last pack. Darkrai. That's it for that. Let's go with Scarlet&Violet. Let's see what's inside. Can we get lucky? Let's see. Magneton. Sprigatito. Meowscarada. Alright. Not bad. Okay. Obsidian Flames. That's it. Worth the $19.99. Okay. Here we go. Rhyme. Olafin. That's it. So worth $19.99.